Good morning students, welcome for today's session. I am here for mathematics of class 10. Students, in previous session we studied about the triangles, properties of triangles and similarity and criteria. Okay, and today student will start the theorem. It is 6.1, also known as basic proportionality theorem, BPT. So let's start, student. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. ABCD is a triangle here. A line which is drawn from point D to E means DE. Okay, D is parallel to BC. So students, we need to prove that if a line is drawn parallel to a side of the triangle means BC, which is divide the sides to other sides in the ratio. Okay, so this is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon AC. AD upon DB equal to AE upon AC. Okay, so let's do, students, construction. Let us join the BE is divided as dash line is representing to construction, and CD. Okay, CD, and draw DM perpendicular on AC, DM. So what is the AC here? AC perpendicular from D. So it is perpendicular line is DM, and EN perpendicular to AB. So here AB and EN, it is this. It is perpendicular to AB. So now students, here ADE is a triangle. As you know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Okay, so area of the triangle ADE is half. AD is when base is AD, when base is AD. Okay, so half AD, and what is the height? Perpendicular, it is EN. Okay students, now similarly in triangle you can see here this figure is here EAD, EN is a perpendicular. Okay, similar in area of the BD triangle BDE. So what is BDE? BDE. Okay, so BDE is the same here. Again I have drawn the part BDE here, and now it's rotated anti-clockwise, then E will come up. EDB. What is the area of this triangle? So area of this triangle, base is DB, so half into DB into EN. Okay, so the perpendicular is drawn like this, that is EN above. You can see it figure here, this whole triangle BDE. Where is perpendicular? Perpendicular is here, it is EN. Okay student, so now here the area of the AD is half into DB into EN. Similar way students, area of triangle ADE when base is AE. Here you can see in the figure here this triangle ADE, it is same as above seen ADE. Okay, so when base is AE, the base is AE, so what is the perpendicular? It is DM. Similar way student, it is here same figure I have drawn here to it is easy to understand to you. Okay, it's rotated in again anti-clockwise. So what is the area of this angle triangle AD? 1/2 equal to what is base is AE, height is DM. Okay, as you know that student, we have to find the ratio is equal of AD upon DB. Okay, as first we have to find this, it is a triangle 1, it is triangle 2. So we divide the area by BDE to triangle ADE. Here we can do it. So what is the area of triangle AD is already given above. The triangle of the area of the triangle ADE and divide by triangle of BDE. So area of the triangle already found above, 1/2 into AD into EN. Just put the values only, and BDE 1/2 into BD into EN. Okay, half is cancelled by half and EN is cancelled by EN. What is left? We have here AD upon DB. Make it equation 1. Similar way, student will do another side. Another side means when in this triangle 1 and another triangle is this. So it is triangle 1 and another triangle is CED, this 2. Okay, you can say is DEC also. So in triangle 1 and 2, this one is and another is this. Okay, so area of this we already found here. It is 1 upon 2 AE into DM. And what is the area of the second one? It is half into base is EC and height is this. Okay, means it is DM. It is clearly mentioned above, DM. Okay, for height for this triangle DEC, it is DM. Now divide the area of AD divided by DEC. So 1 upon 2 AE into DM, and similar way 1 upon 2 into EC into DM. So 1 upon 2 is cancelled by 1 upon 2 and DM is DM. Okay, what is left only here? AE upon EC. Make it equation 2. So students, in this figure here BDCE. Okay, one triangle is this, second triangle is this. Means one is BDE and second is DEC. You know, in question it is given that D is parallel to BC. So triangle this BDE and triangle DEC both are on same base and same parallel. So you know that you already studied in a previous class 9th that if the two triangles are on same base and same parallel, so their area is equal. So hence area of the BDE is equal to area of DEC. Okay, so triangle BDE and DEC are on the same base DE and between the same parallel BC and DE. Okay, so area of BDE is equal to area of DEC. It is equation 3rd. Okay student, now you can see means this part is equal to this. So what we have observed, the both is the equation 1 is equal to equation 2 or not? Yes, both are equal. So that means AB upon DB is equal to AE upon AC. That is student BPT, basic proportionality theorem, which is we use to solve the questions of next exercise. Conversion of BPT. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Okay, so here is given that triangle ABC and a line DE intersect AB at D and AC at E. Okay, such that AD upon DB is E upon EC. Okay, means these two are ratio equal of the AD upon DB and AE upon AC, which is already we proved in previous theorem. So student, what we have to prove here, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so now do a construction. Draw DE dash line. DE dash, assume that DE dash is parallel to BC as okay, as you know in theorem 6.1. If a line is parallel to the one side of a triangle, okay, which divides two other sides in the equal ratio, means as a theorem 6.1. So by the using of it, AD upon DB means ratio of AD upon DB. Yes, second is AE dash because DE dash is a parallel to BC. Okay, and E dash upon C is the equation 1. It is given that AD upon DB, AE upon EC, make it equation 2. After comparing equation 1 and 2, you can see the left hand side is the same for both. Okay, if the left hand side is same, that means the right, what is the right hand side? It is AE dash upon E dash C equal to AE upon EC. Okay students, now add 1 on both sides. Okay, so AE dash upon E dash C plus 1 equal to AE upon EC plus 1. After taking LCM as 1, so E dash C the denominator and AE dash plus multiply by it here E dash C. Okay, similar way we'll do here. EC is a 1 LCM here and then AE plus EC. Okay, so now after you can see that AE dash plus E dash C is showing the representing to length of AC. So we can write the sum of the both is as AC. Okay, and you know that A or E and EC, again the sum of the both is AC. So we can write the whole terms in the form of AC upon E dash C and AC upon EC. Okay students, so AC is now both sides, so we can cancel it. AC is cancelled with AC. Term only left here, 1 upon E dash C equal to 1 upon EC. Okay students, now by cross multiplication EC is equal to E dash C. Thus student, E means both distance EC and E dash C both are equal, means both E dash and E both are coincide, means both are lies on same point. Okay, since DE dash parallel to DE dash parallel to BC as well as DE is also parallel to BC. So students, hence prove that.